would be a little bit faster than typing this in email. So basically what we did in the CRJ255 edits is we went in here and we went in the map and we made the edits within this view. And anything in here would be the master, or the base, as Realize It calls it. So every time you make a copy, that's called a product. So you would go to product data, products, and then you're going to sort by, usually like a whole bunch will pop up here, but you'll sort by CRJ255, the base. You're going to click on view, and refresh from base, and then install and activate. These two both work the same way. Show actions just kind of shows you what's still processing, what's been completed. So I usually do the show the progress and then hit processing just until it clears. Once you've done this, it should take a couple hours to update in Canvas. But what you can do is go in and click through Canvas as if you're a student and see if that edit is made in the student view or if it still looks exactly the same before you made the edit. Hit me up with questions anytime. Good luck.